where I'm from, it's not like where you are from. Where I'm living on a residential area, we part them JP and them cockatoo. Them say them work from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 minutes after 8. You understand? So if you reach 6 minutes after 8, then they're not sign up for you. So, first thing, they're not going nowhere. That's I never go down and go chat to them yet. But since if you're not signing now, go through. That's what you said though. But you turn there. They say if uno feel a joke, if me go down that boy now sign anything for you today. A problem down here, you know, uno have to go get jail pay one different place sign so come bail me, you know. Because me don't understand how you in our country like this where them get some local old man and some old people JLP work. We part they not go ready, they not go Rocky Wednesday, they not go no party, they not go to supermarket, they not go to library, they not go nowhere, they not go nowhere, they lock up in their house, in a residential, we when I want a couple bad dog in front of the yard, you can't go in front of the yard, or they go to and know you. But anyway, if them say they really want to be signed down there, man, they are good on go say we can get it signed. Yes, me take the picture of them already. And me have to cuss off the people them down at the photo place because them take the picture on the wrong side. So anyway, if I nothing, me call you. Me I go down there, man. Yo. Yeah, man. Me soon page your auntie. Alright. Mr. Bill!
Hold up.
I mean, if I come for your sign, all good thing for me, you know.
You know it's signing time done though.
What's time of signing time?
10 o'clock me stop signing in the morning, sir.
Well, I couldn't make it 10 o'clock, so I make it now.
Come look close and see if I know you.
I don't want to look in that man's face.
I don't know you, sir.
Well, you don't have to know I just want the paper for signing, you know.
No, but me I tell you, say I don't sign who I don't know. The government pass a law. If we sign it and we don't know you, we go to prison.
You go ready?
No, sir. What name, sir?
You go passa?
What name, sir?
You go back road? You go on the bridge? You don't go nowhere, so all you got know I in the town, day and night, party 24/7, everywhere with there. And you no go nowhere, you say lock up in your house.
Listen me, I not sign nothing for nobody when me don't know because first thing the government now pay us. So if you can put a 200,000 in my hand right now, I will sign it.
Oh, so bribe. You try to deprive me of my look. I'm getting 20,000. I'm going to find 200,000 at 20, boy.
Oh, we could have known that 20,000 you again.
Yeah, me I say no. Me don't want you in my business, you know. Me say, yo.
Because I make you police lock you up. You will know. Wait.
Lock up.
Where you touch me granddaughter for?
Oh no. I want you, uncle. Fix that, yo. Uncle. I want you.
No.
You don't want you?
Whenever I don't want to court, man. Like I drop asleep.
Alright, that's not uncle. Just be careful and take your medicine, alright?
Bring more cup of coffee then.
Alright, uncle. Yes, auntie. When I try to tell you, say, I don't get the thing signed today, you know. But I bet you say tomorrow, when I check that the JLP there, it's a sign. Now ask me that, man. What means what I do to jail? Just now ask me that. If nothing worse, go and watch your news later. But me tell you that tomorrow, the thing will get signed. You understand? Because in a Jamaica, badness works. Body down to the ground. Auntie, no, I'm not dealing too rough, man. You know, that's some talks my time. Calm down. Alright, yeah, man. Yeah. Alright. Brother Bill!
Oi! How that?
Burn it down for your ass.
Come, me son, nobody blaze no fire. Turn it down low then.
Daddy, you know, sir, I want to put me up your side for me.
Oh, yeah, come. We'll sign it here, then we'll go.
Yeah, man, I don't think more sign for me. Open, man, stop here, man. I think we'll sign and stamp.
So, where behind it? Oh, you know about that?
You know my name, man. After no more for your sign.
So you don't have nothing more they can sign?
No, I don't have no more for sign, man.
You're a good boy, you know.
Alright, that's our word. Take care of yourself, sir.
Alright, move me up my yard there.
And this I try this, me, you don't matter.
You're back then, man. Don't worry your head, man.
You know me?
You know me, know you.
I can't tell you, Rasta.